Little chicks are about 2.5 weeks old now. They're starting to venture out further and further away from Jenny, our turkey. This turkey sat on some chicken eggs and hatched out 3 little chicks. Their little legs are getting longer, and a lot of their chicken fluff has fallen out and is being replaced with new feathers. Every time I go out near the chicks now, I bring some seed with me, and Jenny has even started to eat out of my hand. I think she realizes at this point that I'm here to help feed her babies. But I have noticed that she does keep her body in between me and the little chicks, no matter which position I move to. That's okay though, because she's just doing what's best for her new little chicks. I've been trying to think of some names for them, so if you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments.